Good morning, dear students. Today I'll explain you how to arrange the given fractions in the ascending order. Correct? But before starting, let me explain you few points that will be act as a hint for you, where you can apply those things and you can solve the questions very easily. So the first one is, if the denominators are same, the fraction will be the greater numerator represent the greater fraction. Means if the denominators are same, means the fraction is in a like fraction, then in the numerator the fraction which is having the greater value will be greater, correct, and the smaller one will be the smaller. And second hint is, if fraction have the same number in the numerator, means if the upper one value is same, then the denominator with the smaller value represents the greater. It is the reverse of the first one. So here you can see all the denominators are same, you have to arrange in it ascending order. So what I told you, if the denominator are same, then the numerator having the smaller value will be the smallest. So smaller value is 2, then 4, and then 6, and this is the ascending order for this question, correct. Now second one, here the numerators are same 1 1 1 and denominators are different. Now what to do? As I told you, if the numerator are same and denominator are different, then the denominator with the greater value represents the smallest. So with the greater value is 9, it represents the smallest, then 8, then 7 and 6. This is the ascending order for this one. 9 is the smallest and 6 is the greatest, 1 upon 6. Now see, in this one question, both the numerator as well as the denominator, they are different, correct. Now what to do? For these type of questions, you have to take an LCM. So what I have done, 5, 6 and 8 and 9, I have taken the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 5 will come as it is, 2 4s are 8 and 9, and then by 3, then by 2, like this we will take the LCM, and your LCM will equals to 360. I hope it is clear. So 360 will be the LCM, then 5 divided by 360 will be 72, and 72 is multiplied by 1, so 72 into 1, comma. 6, 60s are 360, 60 multiplied by 5. 8, 45s are 360, 45 multiplied by 7. 9, 40s are 360, 40 multiplied by 8. Now here is the multiplication of all. This is 72, this is 300, this is 315, and this is 320. Now as we have to arrange it in ascending order, means from smallest to greater. So 72 means 1 upon 5 is the smallest. Then greater than 75 will 300, 315 and 320. So from here, according to these values, we will replace it. So this will be 5 upon 6, this will be 7 upon 8, and this will be the 8 upon 9. So this is the series of ascending order. I hope it is clear to all. Now come to the next question. Same thing is here, both are different. So what we will do, first of all, we will take the LCM in order to make the denominator equal. So we have taken an LCM, LCM will be 60. Here LCM is 60. Now 5 12s are 60 and 12 4s are, we have done here. 10 6s are 60 and 6 6s are. 15 4s are 60, 7 4s are. 23s are 60, 9 3s are, correct. So 12 4s are 48. 6 6s are 36, 7 4s are 28 and 9 3s are 27. What I have done now, I'll arrange it in ascending order. Smallest one will be 27, then 28, then 36 and then 48. So 9 upon 20, 7 upon 15, 6 upon 10 and 4 upon 5. I hope it is clear to all. So what is your work for today, students? Whatever I have explained you today, you all have to do all this work in your notebook. Write it very neatly. First try to understand and then do it by yourself. Student, I am again explaining you, whatever the work we are doing in this work will not be repeated again, and you have to do it very sincerely and very properly. So please, all of you, follow the instructions and do your work regularly. Hope all of you are doing it. Thank you all.